Do you want to secure your financial future? The earlier you start investing, the faster your money grows. Beginners often wait for the right time, but the truth is, time is your greatest asset. Every day you delay is growth lost forever. With even small amounts, you can build wealth step by step. Investing is not about being rich today, it's about being free tomorrow. The market rewards patience, not perfection. Start now, learn as you go, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Every beginner becomes an expert by starting small. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. Start investing today, and your future self will thank you. The most valuable resource you have is time, so don't waste it. Each moment you invest wisely builds a stronger tomorrow. Do you know the difference between saving and investing? Saving protects money, but investing multiplies it. Beginners must first learn the basics: stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Each has unique risks and rewards. Without this foundation, you're gambling, not investing. Education builds confidence, and confidence leads to better choices. Learn terms like dividends, risk tolerance, and asset allocation. Understand how markets work before you jump in. Think of knowledge as your safety net. It keeps you from falling. Every great investor once studied the basics. Don't chase trends without understanding the rules. Knowledge first, investment second. Building a strong foundation protects you from costly mistakes. The more you learn, the more power you hold over your financial future. What if just 50 could start your journey to wealth? Many beginners believe investing requires thousands, but small steps are powerful. With apps and online brokers, you can invest with pocket change. The key is not the size of the start, it's the consistency of the habit. Small investments made regularly grow into large results. Don't fear starting small, fear not starting at all. The power of compound growth turns little into much. Plant tiny seeds today, and they'll grow into financial forests tomorrow. Smart investing isn't about instant riches, it's about steady building. Start with what you have, and watch it multiply. Every great fortune begins with a single step forward. Consistency fuels growth in ways that big one-time actions cannot match. Do you want to reduce risk and still grow wealth? The answer is diversification. Never put all your money in one stock, one company, or one idea. Spread your investments across different assets: stocks, bonds, real estate, ETFs. If one fails, others protect you. Diversification is the shield that keeps your wealth safe. Beginners often chase one winner, but professionals build portfolios. Your goal is balance, not gambling. A diversified portfolio grows steadily without collapsing under risk. The more you spread, the stronger your protection. Never gamble, diversify. Smart investors spread wisely to secure consistent growth. Diversification smooths the bumps on the road to wealth. Protecting your downside ensures you can stay in the game longer. Do you want your money to work harder than you do? That's the magic of compound interest. When your investments earn returns, those returns earn even more. Over the years, small gains have exploded into massive wealth. Beginners must understand that compounding is slow at first but unstoppable later. The earlier you begin, the greater the reward. Compounding rewards patience and punishes delay. Don't underestimate the power of time. Decades turn pennies into fortunes. Compounding is the silent engine of financial freedom. Stay consistent, reinvest profits, and let time do the work. Compounding is your greatest ally. Start now and never stop. Time magnifies every dollar you invest. The longer you stay invested, the greater your wealth multiplies exponentially. Do you know what destroys most beginners? It's not bad stocks, it's bad emotions. Fear and greed ruin good strategies. Markets rise and fall, but panicking turns paper losses into real losses. Stay calm, stick to your plan, and trust your process. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't chase hype or run from dips. Smart investors buy value, not emotions. Learn to control fear when markets drop and control greed when they soar. Emotions cost more than mistakes. Discipline beats impulse every time. The calmer you are, the richer you'll become. Mindset creates wealth as much as money does. Emotional discipline is the secret weapon of successful investors. Steady nerves protect your portfolio and your peace of mind. Are you looking for quick riches? Then investing is not for you. Beginners must learn. The market rewards long-term thinking. Short-term trading looks exciting, but long-term investing builds real wealth. A 10-year plan is stronger than a 10-day guess. Focus on businesses with solid foundations, not flashy fads. Great investors hold through storms and reap rewards when skies clear. Patience is the difference between broke traders and wealthy investors. Time is your greatest tool. Use it wisely. Long-term focus transforms beginners into professionals. Stay patient, stay invested, and let the years pay you back. Think decades, not days. Wealth is built slowly, quietly, and steadily. The best results come to those who stay committed over the long haul. Do you want to avoid painful mistakes? Then you must master risk management. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Always have an emergency fund before you start. Set limits, use stop-loss orders if needed, and don't chase risky bets. Risk is part of investing, but smart investors control it. Beginners often dive in blindly and drown in losses. But with careful planning, you can swim safely. Protect yourself first, then grow. Managing risk is the difference between success and disaster. Always protect your downside before chasing the upside. Safety first, growth second. That's how beginners win. Smart risk management preserves your capital and your confidence. Protecting what you have enables you to build more tomorrow. Do you know the easiest way to lose money? It's chasing get-rich-quick schemes. Beginners often fall for hype-hot stocks, crypto bubbles, or too-good-to-be-true promises. But wealth is not built overnight. The truth is, slow and steady wins. Avoid scams, avoid shortcuts, avoid promises of instant millions. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Real investing takes patience, education, and discipline. Don't fall for hype stick to proven strategies. Protect your money like treasure. Get rich quick will make you broke fast. Smart investors build. They don't gamble. Don't chase shortcuts. Choose the long road to freedom. True wealth demands time and effort. There are no shortcuts. Choose patience and persistence over flashy promises. Do you think investing is a one-time skill? Wrong. The market is always changing. Beginners must commit to lifelong learning. Read books, follow experts, study trends, and track your own mistakes. Every lesson makes you stronger. The more you know, the fewer risks you take. Financial education compounds like money does. The earlier you start, the greater the benefit. Smart investors are students forever. Keep your mind open, your curiosity alive, and your strategy updated. Knowledge is the armor that protects your money. Keep learning, keep growing, keep investing. The more you learn, the more you earn. Growth is a lifelong journey. The smartest investors evolve with the market and never stop improving. Do you have a written investment plan? Without one, you're drifting. Beginners often invest randomly, chasing tips and trends. But a clear plan keeps you focused. Decide how much to invest, where to invest, and how long to hold. Review your goals often, but don't abandon them for emotions. A plan is your anchor when markets shake. Stick to it, refine it, but never abandon it for hype. Discipline builds results where randomness fails. A plan today is wealth tomorrow.